Hey, what's up guys? Johnny here. Today we're going to be looking at these big red jacks made by Torin. I got these on Amazon for $32.33. These are 3-ton ratchet jack stands. They go anywhere from 11 and 1/4 inches to 16 and 3/4 inches. Maximum capacity is 3 tons, which is equivalent to 6,000 pounds. Once you open the box up, this is what's inside. You got your 2 jack stands and the ratchet bars. I put the box on a scale when it got here, and the box was 14.8 pounds. So these things are about 7 pounds each, give or take. What you do is you lift up this bar here, and as you can see, it'll lift that part up. That way you can slide the ratchet bar in. Just make sure that that it's facing the right direction. 3-ton. Man, there it is. Super easy. Bend that tab in once you insert the ratchet bar. $32.33. The big red 3-ton jack stands on Amazon. Overall, I like them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share. Have a good day, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys.